the nicest pumpkin you ever seen, but this is a balloon.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Fandom NY and here's Carson.
But guys, I have something. Daddy made this pumpkin.
Yeah, so today's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this pumpkin balloon. Let's start this. The materials are, we have 260Q orange and 260Q green, and we have 9 inches latex balloon. Just make this into like a circle or round, so it's easier to make your pumpkin. Right there, okay, and then your 260Q. Try this here. And the other side, you twist. Tie it to the end. Leave it like that for now. Tie it together. So it doesn't have to be the same, it doesn't have to be perfect, as you know, pumpkin is not a perfect circle or round. This on the other side. So I'll wrap this here. Somewhere. So now we'll use this green one this time. Extra here, you just have to pop this like that. Get the air out. Tie this end to one of the end here. Okay guys, so on the third one I decided to make this curly right here. So to add an extra 160Q here and 160Q, put it inside here. Just feed it through. So feed it through and then tie the tip here. So tie them both together. You put the pump on the top of the
260.
260.
260.
But do not put it on the 160Q, okay? Now you have a curly one here. So I'm gonna pop this balloon here and change it. Yes, and finally it's done. So we have some curly thing here on the top, and one is like straight, so a different look. So show your pumpkin, guys. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you do like,
and click here to subscribe more videos if you like it.
So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please and thank you.
thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.